Loving yourself deeply, not vanity act, but loving Allah. At video end, share 3 steps. Timeless self-love, Sufi sacred way. These steps transform your self-view, others around you, and divine creator. One day disciple asked Master Rabia, "Master, is sin loving my nafs?" Rabia wisely replied, "You see nafs as own being, but truly spirit God breathed in. Love it fully, love his work, love yourself now, but not about mirror self-praise, saying I'm special. It's deep respect for hidden secret God placed inside. If you hate your own self, you insult art of the Creator. Rumi in Masnavi declares you art, insult not artist. Who despises self insults the master who shaped him. Thus, self-love not mere selfishness. Self-love means living with divine awareness of sacred trust. Body, mind, heart, soul all touched by his hand. Admiring fine painting respects the painter. Respect your being honors him directly. Yet danger lurks. Modern world says, love yourself by pampering ego wildly. Sufism teaches love by knowing nafs, not yielding to, seeing divine breath behind it all. You not just biological form, you divine being, touched by be, God's command eternal. Recall Mansur al-Hallaj, al-Haqq words. I am truth, not claiming godhood. My being depends on his fully. Deepest self-love sees existence as mirror of his essence. Despise the mirror, belittle its light. Disciple approached Gilani, Master, I hate self for sins. Gilani answered firm, hate sin only, not yourself. Self-hate from Satan. Humility one thing, self-despise another. Find balance here. Love self within, divine sacred measure. Idolize not self, deny not either. Insulting own self belittles voice, face, mind, soul given by God himself. Like destroying mosque, not walls alone, but inner meaning. Sufi wisdom says, love self too, know self truly. Knowing self captured in ancient saying, who knows self knows his Lord. Some deem hadith, scholars say no. Yet profound wisdom. Sufis hold key to ultimate truth. Love self because he loved you. Else no creation. Consider a mirror. Sunlight shines bright. Throw stone at, mirror attacks light. Self-despise same act. You reflect God's be, command pure. Belittle self belittles reflection's true source. Ibn Arabi taught, God revealed self. To servant, so, servant loves self. Servants form mirrors, all merciful form. Your form reveals Al-Rahman name. Despise this form, insult not body, but his mercy. Rumi warns, don't deem self worthless. Inside, you secret, shakes all worlds. Not empty motivation, but existence value, deep ontological truth. Self-love, call here, avoids narcissism trap. Not ego inflation, align I with him in unity. Not deifying nafs, but seeing breath divine behind it. 2 perils in, self-love absence. First, become passive, denying own self. Second, ignore art of God himself. Some claim worthless, think it humility, but reject trust, God bestowed freely. Hallaj's path to execution misunderstood, Ana al-Haqq cry. Not self as God, but being holds only him. No self-love denies, God's own words, made you vicegerent on earth realm. Quran Baqarah 30. Angels questioned God. Place corrupter there, shedding much blood? God replied calm, I know secrets you know not. Value hides there in veiled secret. Modern ways urge, love, body image, photo, shallow self. Sufism urges love, self, for he dwells within you. Body fades mortal, soul, his breath. Self-love truly loves, his breath divine. Dervish once asked, love you self? He said no, love what appears, within me pure. That's key difference. Despise not self, it seeks flaws in perfect creation. God declares no flaw in making. Quran Mulk 3. Love self with reverence so divine. Love self returns to the Creator. Self-hate blocks compassion for all others. See pain, contempt in own being, reflected outward. Sufism's love gate starts from within. Gifts to others must exist inside. Ibn Arabi in Futuhat Makkiyah, see not merciful, in others till seen in self, unveils self-love's greatest hidden secret. Love not self, as God's craft, love not others, as his craft. Rumi phrased differently, no rose inside, offer none outside. Outward love fed by inner source. Source foul taints, water it gives. Source pure revives, life in all. Subtle point here, self-love, no boast over any others. Sufi love holds humility with honor. Humility whispers not above you am. Honor declares God's art I am, not ever worthless. Balance guides approach to all people. Story shared once. Sufi asked pupil, two pictures imagine. Gold one holds, poison inside deep, clay one filled with sweet honey. Which to offer? Pupil said honey, of course now. Sufi smiled wide, man is such. Outside love one, inside love another. Self-love guards honey within your soul. Honey is spirit, God breathed in. Quran, Sajda 9. Honor not spirit, honor not others. Self-love reshapes sight of others' flaws. View self-divine, manifestation so pure. See others same. Ignore their errors. See inner secret, at work always. This births mercy. Al-Jilani sternly warned, till self-love learned nafs turns harsh toward all others. Roots many breaks in human bonds. Recognize not value in own self. Recognize not in others ever. Self-love boosts love for God himself. Each self-glance beholds one his works. Admire script honors, skilled calligrapher. Praise design honors, talented artist. Modern views shrink, self-love to vain, confidence so shallow. Sufism uncovers roots, profound and deep. Love, self returns, love to creator. Love, self gives, life to others. But how begin? First step, cease self-oppression now. Watch words spoken about your being, belittling phrases fault, God's fine work. Swap with praise to my Lord, who shaped me in best forms. Quran 10:4. Second step, embrace your own flaws. Self-love claims not, perfection absolute. No faults well, strive to change. This holy struggle draws near God and fellow people. Third step, refuse, not others' love. Some shun love from felt worthlessness. Accept it as God's mercy through that kind person. Conclude with Rumi. Self-love not loving. Own mere existence. It's loving one who made you within you now. Dispels all confusion. Love self too, love all others. Love self too, love God deeper. Love self so world breaks not, you ever strong. Remember one day, gaze in mirror and gently smile. Smile not yours, but to him. You his mirror, reflected light belongs, not to mirror, but source alone.